This is such a beautiful coat. I absolutely love it. It has pockets, which is awesome. And I love that faux fur detail. It's so soft on both sides. It's really interesting. It has like an asymmetrical kind of feel to it. And then it even has this part here just to give it a little extra something. The buttons here work functionally. So that's where you button it and then you tie it right here. Now, if I don't tie it, let me show you what happens. There is one belt loop there in the back. There's not another one. So you would have to take the belt off if you want to wear it untied. And then if you wanted to wear it open, same thing. I would probably recommend taking that belt loop off, or you could always tie it in the back on that. It's really cute. It's got a nice thickness to it and a nice lining on the inside. And I love how this bottom part here has a double layer to it to kind of get it just that extra something to it. Now when you do button it, it is a little hard to use the buttons at first, so I am glad that there are extra buttons that come with this, and also there's just extra buttons kind of hidden throughout as well. I'm in a size large. I'm size 8. I'm 5'8". It fits great. It's so cute. There's so many good colors and I think you are going to love it.